What is happening? Jonathan Dunkerley here. You can call me Dunk. And today I'm going to break down a strategy on how you could earn $1,000 a day leveraging AI chatbots, even if you've never used AI before. In this video, I'm going to give you a free trial to a tool that lets you resell access to ChatGPT. Plus, I'll show you exactly how to find businesses who already need the solution and are willing to pay for it. And here's the best part. We're going to use free tools to find these clients. So if you want access to everything, a trial to the tool that lets you resell ChatGPT, a 5-day AI challenge to help you land your first client, as well as real-world examples of people making money with this system, just drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and I'll send you the details. Now, let's dive into how it works. Normally, you cannot resell ChatGPT. OpenAI does not have an affiliate program or a reseller program, unfortunately. But let's be perfectly honest, they probably don't need one because a lot of people know what ChatGPT is. And if they don't know what ChatGPT is, then they probably heard of AI at least. Come on, OpenAI, give us an affiliate program already. But until then, there is a workaround. You could use tools that integrate with ChatGPT using its API and package AI chatbots as a service for businesses. But what does this actually mean, and how can I make money doing this? It's actually really simple. You just set up AI chatbots on business websites, and guess what? If they don't have a website yet, you can even help them with that, and that becomes another upsell opportunity for you. But I'll get back to that in a little bit. So these businesses will pay you a monthly fee to use these chatbots, which in turn will get them sales. They save money, and you get recurring income every month that they keep your chatbot. Think of it this way. Instead of hiring an employee to answer frequently asked questions and booking appointments, a chatbot could do all of this automatically. And since they would be paying an employee more for this otherwise, the business would happily pay for it. But how are we going to find clients that want these chatbots on their websites? That's right, we are going to go to Google Maps. So first, let's walk through an example of how to find a business client. In order to make money, we need businesses to sell our chatbots to. So we need to find them, and we could find them in local markets. So I'm going to search for luxury spas on Google Maps. You could, of course, search for a whole bunch of different niches. I'm just using this as an example. Google gives me several results. Some are sponsored, some don't even have a website, and some are actually perfect targets. This one right here, luxury health spa, it already has 395 reviews, which means that they're actually taking their online presence serious. And we have some of their information. They have a booker company as well as their website. All right, let's click on their website. And their website just loaded. And what do you know? No chatbot on their website. And why is it such a big deal that there is no chatbot on this website? Customers today expect instant responses, and if they don't get them, they often just leave and move on to the next site. I mean, we saw that right here. There's plenty of other options. Here's one that actually has a higher rating, has less reviews, but they might just move on to the next one. And honestly, many businesses have seen significant engagement increases by adding chatbots to their customer service strategy. It means that you could always have somebody online or working even when there's nobody actually working at the business. Because a well-integrated chatbot can keep visitors engaged, guiding them towards things like booking appointments and making purchases instead of just leaving the site. I mean, if they're not going to get the answer right away, they may just move on to another spa. We saw on Google Maps, there was plenty of other options. Businesses that don't engage with their customers immediately lose potential bookings. And that's where you come in. You can offer businesses an AI-powered chatbot that answers common questions instantly, books appointments automatically, helps them capture more leads with no extra effort, and since they'd have to pay an employee way more to do the same task, they're happy to pay you instead to save money and increase their bookings. All right, let's get into it. So how do you set up one of these chatbots? Now, if you wanted to set up this tool as well as jump into that 5-day AI challenge that will help you find your first clients, go to startlistnow.com and sign up for the free AI employee challenge and grab that free trial. Inside, you will find the 5-day AI challenge, which walks you through the entire process of landing your first client. Now, let me show you how easy it is to set up one of these AI chatbots for a client. First thing, you go and log into the tool, and you go over to the conversation AI, which is in the settings. Now in here, if you don't have any bots in this particular profile yet, you're going to click Create Conversation AI Bot, and it's going to give you a couple options: general Q&A, start from scratch, or appointment booking. You could pick whichever one you want, but today we are going to pick appointment booking just because that is what we are trying to demonstrate to this spa. So I'm going to click continue, and we're going to give it a name, Luxury Health Spa, and hit save. You could also connect it to multiple different platforms. By default, it shows SMS, which is text messages, but you could also do Instagram Messenger, Facebook Messenger. You could do a chat widget, live chat, as well as WhatsApp, very integrated into the Meta platform. This opens up a whole bunch of opportunities of different ways that you could help serve different customers and new clients. Now we're going to go over here to bot training. In bot training, here's where it gets even more powerful. Website scraping. You could train the chatbot by scraping all of the important details from a business website. For example, I could take Luxury Health Spa's website, copy the URL, and paste it into the chatbot tool. Now I can click get data, and within seconds, the chatbot learns all about their services. And if we want it to even dive deeper into the website, we could have it look at all URLs within the path, or we could have it scrape all the URLs in that domain, which is what I'm going to do. So I have Luxury Health Spa Riverside right here. I'm going to hit get data. One note, I did come across one thing in my demonstration that I wanted to point out in case you come across it. If they ever have a site protected by Cloudflare, it may cause issues from them being able to scrape sublinks within the domain, but it should be fine to scrape their main website. But if that does happen, you could always just grab each individual page and have it scrape it manually instead of having to go to all of them automatically. I know it's not ideal, but the goal is to get a client. And they also have a page over here where you could book appointments on booker.com. You could have the chatbot send people this link, or you could also have it train off of this information so it knows all the different deals and prices. If you have it scrape all the URLs in a domain, you're going to need to click View All Page and then select the ones that you want it to include. If you want it to include all, just click Select All Pages and then Train Bot. And now it says trained, trained, trained. That means the bot is now trained on this data. And if we want to see the prompt that's using to reference, we just click this little icon right here, and it's going to show us all the information that it is referencing. And if we need to make any modifications, we can do it manually. If a customer asks, do you offer a deep tissue massage? You could ask the chatbot, and the chatbot instantly replies with accurate info based on the website. And the best part, the business owner sees this in action before they even pay you. It's the perfect case study. And you could dive even deeper by customizing the personality, the intent, and additional info for your bot. And this is honestly how you're going to blow their minds and make closing these deals effortless. Now, a chatbot is really, really valuable for a business, but there's other things that you could offer to these businesses that will not only level up your earnings, but will also level up their earnings even further. Because this tool does not just do chatbots, it is actually a full entire agency suite that has a whole bunch of tools that you could offer your clients. Amongst other things, it creates full websites for businesses. Many small businesses actually don't even have a website, or if they do, it's really outdated. You can offer them a professional website built in the same exact tool, really making it convenient for you and for them. And if there are any recurring costs like hosting or something like that, you would just pass it on to that business. This opens up the opportunity to offer things like tiered pricing, where you could do something like $97 a month for the basic chatbot, or $297 a month for the chatbot plus a voice AI plus a website, or maybe $497 a month for a full AI automation package, which includes things like the chatbot, the voice AI, a website package, and even a full email autoresponder. This really is an all-in-one agency tool that you could provide services for any business. The more services that you add in that help with things like customer interactions and bookings, businesses will really never want to cancel because they are actually solving problems for them, and now you're solving multiple problems that they had. As long as it's making them more money than it's costing them, it's a good deal for that business. So what that does is it locks in long-term recurring revenue for you while providing massive value for your clients. A lot of these business owners don't actually even know that they need something like this. They may even have objections, not knowing that this is something that will elevate their entire business. You might get some business owners that will ask things like, do people even use chatbots? And the answer is yes. According to Drift's State of Conversational Marketing report, 87% of customers had positive experience with chatbots. And someone might say, can't I just use email instead? Well, email open rates average around 21%, which means on average, 21% of people that get your emails are actually opening them, while chatbot messages boast an open rate of closer to 80 to 90%, making them a far more effective communication tool. And look at this, you could even offer email marketing directly inside this tool as part of this agency offering that you offer these businesses. Because email marketing is still a valuable service that you can offer to businesses alongside chatbots to create a full customer engagement strategy. What if they say that they just don't like it? Now, that is why you can offer a free trial so they can see the benefits for themselves 100% risk-free. In all honesty, this is what makes it so easy to sell. So if you're actually serious about making $1,000 plus every single day reselling AI tools, and I hope that you could see how that is 100% possible, you should go over to startlistnow.com and join the 5-day AI challenge and also grab your trial to the tool so you could resell ChatGPT. This will help you start landing clients in the first 5 days. And I went through this and it actually does work. This is really cool because it's actually going to start building you a recurring revenue stream with AI automation. Drop a comment below if you are ready to start and I will send you all the details. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Keep creating, keep earning passive income, and I will see you in the next video.